Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to properly clean and rejuvenate your rubber or vinyl floor mats or all-weather mats, because over time they have a tendency to get kind of a grayish color. Of course, they accumulate dirt and grime. These are not the dirtiest that I've ever seen, but however, we're still in the middle of winter here in Montreal, Canada. So we have a bit of mud, a bit of dirt grime, and some road salt from the roads. So with just one product, a few tools, you're going to see just how simple it is. You know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. Before we go ahead and do so though, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure that you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. By the way, I'll leave the links to the products and tools in the description under this video for you guys to check them out, so you just have to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as I said, today we'll be cleaning and rejuvenating the rubber mats. Same applies for some vinyl mats if you have them. And we're going to be using just one product. This is McKee's 37 Floor Mat and Cargo Liner Rejuvenator. So this cleans and rejuvenates your floor mats. This video, by the way, is not sponsored. I ordered this product myself. It's just to show you that now things have evolved, where before we used to use degreasers or all-purpose cleaners to clean a surface, and then another product to kind of dress, but those could be slippery at times, so you don't want that, right? So this here not only cleans, but it gives that rejuvenated factory fresh look, that nice black rich appearance to your floor mats. And yeah, it's non-slippery too. So very, very simple. So let's go ahead. First, the important part is we're going to thoroughly rinse the floor mat. Then we're going to spray the product on the surface, let it dwell for roughly 30 seconds, and then use some nylon brushes to thoroughly brush. We rinse again and we dry. You can use either microfiber towels if you want to dry, or I have a little car dryer here. This is basically a forced air blower. This has clean, filtered, dry, hot air. This is from Metrovac, the Air Force Blaster Sidekick. So you can use this to dry your vehicle, but also very practical for things like this. Okay, let's go ahead and you'll see how simple this is. And there we have it, folks. So looks like brand new, factory look, nice, clean, dry, non-slippery, and yeah, again, just that factory refresh. By the way, guys, this spot right here is just where the heel is from the boots. So this is not because it's dirty, but really just because of friction over time. That's what happens with the wear and tear. But the rest is super clean, and yeah, we restored the OEM look. So again, I'll leave the links to the products and tools in the description under the video. Smash also the thumbs up button to show me your support if you enjoyed this. And what other quick tip would you like in the detailing world? Drop a comment, let me know in the comment section. So guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.